young to be a principal.
Which is why I'm not, see, the actual principal had some kind of medical breakdown, something psychological. I'm just filling in for him now for the interim. Might be the only one dumb enough to try to run. Hold, please. Hello, Mr. Prescott. Interim Principal Ray, I have to say that. I know that you teach chemistry, but I heard you have an art degree, and I've got this class if you're still free. Of course. Good luck with your thing, and if hell does freeze over, give me a ring. But these are my kids, the only people I live for. Taking early retirement, 'cause you don't work for me no more. And yet from the start, it felt like we were on a mission, but it's falling apart, and you don't even wanna listen. It's time that you wake up to